Hello friends, this is Harish the Biker Yogi. Welcome to my intro. Let's do it. पानी गिरा के क्यों रखते यार ये। Oh my god, how is this possible, man? This road is full empty, man. Let's make a vlog in English style and foreign style. Okay. Hello friends. What the hell is truck is going ahead me? Hello friends, this is Harish the Biker Yogi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Extreme Sports Biker Yogi. So today I am making vlog, motor vlog in English style. Let's see how best I can make. Because my English is not good, so please forgive me if I say something bad or good or something in grammar mistake. So look at the color of this car. Wow, it's Chevrolet Beat LS. Nice color, look like a Lamborghini color. I also like this type of small cars because in India there is lot of traffic issue, and if you have big car now, then you will go round and round and round and round for to search the parking. So it's better you can drive or take small car. That will be more beneficial and save time and it saves you time and saves your money, saves your effort of searching parking. In India you can see everywhere there is parking, free parking. You can come, park anywhere and go, and there is no need to worry about it, because there are so many places where government or traffic police are not coming to tow your bike. So you can come, park anywhere and go and enjoy. And yeah, there is some auto walas also there. They can take right, left, anything, whenever they want, without thinking these others' life. Just like me, for to save some time, I took a wrong turn because it's full empty. And if I will take that route now, then it will be difficult for me to come before 15-20 minutes. So that's why I take a wrong turn, like a wrong turn movie. But in India there is no wrong turn, there is short turn, and you save yourself also. So this is a little bit of my vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me show you one, how to wear the helmet or not to wear the helmet. What happened now? If you feel hungry or want to eat something while riding, you can just lift your helmet like this. It doesn't matter how big or how costly the bike you are riding, whether it will be Royal, Hero, Extreme, whatever. You can do this chapri stuff like this and just wear the helmet like this. See, it looks great also, but I don't think so it looks great and safe. So yeah, you can wear your helmet like this. And if you're vlogging in traffic now, people watch you like an alien, yet that you are vlogging something and talking with yourself. This is also nice color bike. I want to buy this kind of a bike, because in India now there is no road, there is off-road everywhere, man. Only off-road, no road, no junket, no overspeeding. You can't overspeed anywhere because there is no road for a super bike or something. Sometimes you can find good roads also. Let's take a left. I'm not a overspeeding type of a guy. I always prefer to ride with a peace, go slow. But whenever I get time or space, I can pull the full throttle. I took a wrong turn, man. I was supposed to go from the right side, but it's okay. On my left, you see the delivery boy. He is working for the Zomato. Oh, there is two. See, there is Katkud guys also. Nice color, yeah. What I saw now, that in electric bike you can get so many type of color options. So you can choose the color whichever you want, which suits you, which you like. Yeah. There is Katkud guides on my right side, who can might be in Hungary and late for the office. Jai Lakshmi Mata. Oh. Now you can hear, oh, there is one more Expulse, that is 4V, and with electric bike now you can do off-road also. See, that electric bike, there is lot of skilled people over here in India. He's doing very well, huh? Trust me. Yeah. With your little bit of off-road skill, you can save your time. Hope it can pass. No, it's not going to pass. Nice, buddy. In India, if you want to dodge the traffic now, you have to learn the off-road skill, and you have to buy the off-road bike. So let's end the vlog over here. Hope you like my vlog in English style. So what else I can say, I don't know. So I just end my vlog, and hope you like my video, my vlogging style in English style. And if you like my video, like my vlog in English style, and for more vlog now, you just like, share and subscribe, and comment also, so that I will come to know that yeah, people are liking in English also, because English is one funny language. Yeah, the electric off-road bike is over there on my right side, but it's okay. There is no any bad thing in this. You have to learn the off-road skill, man. If you ride in India, or if you want to ride in traffic now, and you want to reach on time on your destination, then yeah, you have to dodge. I don't know what with this, some kind of people. अंकल देखो, वाव, कहाँ जा रहा है भाई? So bye for the day. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. छपरी